Good morning, class. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. And today we're going to do some math. Today is game day in our Spirit Week. If you are on Zoom today, then we'll be playing a game after we do our reading. On our checklist today, it says that we're supposed to be doing lesson 11:7 in math, but we did that last week. I'm sorry, I forgot to change it. Well, yesterday we did lesson 13:2, so today we get to do 13:3. And I'll try to let everybody know in advance, but make sure you get your book and let's look at page 773. And if you need to pause the video to go get your book, then go right ahead. I'll go ahead and start reading. Alex has a piece of ribbon that is 45 feet long. He cuts the ribbon. Now he has 39 feet of ribbon. How many feet of ribbon did Alex cut off? Draw a picture and write an equation to solve. Show your work. Well, I have a piece of ribbon here. It's not at all 45 feet long. As a matter of fact, it is only 1 foot long because here's a foot right here. So imagine if it was 45 of these, it would be so long. 45. Anyway, I'm just going to use this for an example because we're going to draw a picture on this page to show what he cut off. Now imagine this is the piece of ribbon that's 45 feet long. Then he cut off something. Don't know how much this is, but we do know that this piece is 39 feet now. But we're trying to find out how long this is. So if we drew a picture, draw your picture in this part right here. I'll draw it on this whiteboard so that you can see my ribbon. So here's my ribbon. And it's 45 feet all together. That's the whole part. Then we cut it. Let's do a zigzag cut right here. And what's left is 39 feet. All right, is that right? So, and that is just from here to here. That part is 39 feet. So if I was looking at my ribbon right here, it's 39, and I'll draw it on my ribbon. 3, 9. See, this is going to be 39. And how much is this? Do we add it together? Well, we could say 39 plus blank equals 45, because we know we had 39 and we know the blank is this part right here that we cut off, and when we put it together it's going to be 45. But did you know you could subtract? You could do it a lot of ways. You could do a number line. You could subtract. Which way do you want to do it? If I did a number line, I could go, well, let's see, I'm at 45. And just keep counting back till I get to 39, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we go backwards, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39. See how I did that? That's minus 1 each time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 feet back. Or we could go 45 minus 39, which would be, we have to regroup, make that into 15, change that to 3. 15 minus 9 is 6. So either way you go, it's 6 feet, right? All right. If you have any questions about that, let me know. Let's go on to the next page, which is 774. Well, at the top of page 774, it has, you can write an addition or subtraction equation, which is what we did in the front. We had a addition with a blank, and then we had a subtraction equation. You can draw a picture, and that's what we did also. Let's look at our example. Number 1 says a plant was 15 inches tall. It grew and it is now 22 inches tall. How many inches did the plant grow? And then you'll see it has a picture of a ruler like this, and it's showing you that it was on 15 and then it grew to 22. So how many spaces was that? It says 5 inches plus 2 inches, which is how many? So just add that. It's funny, a ruler is a lot like a number line, isn't it? It's just like a number line. In fact, some people use the numbers like a number line without having to draw one. Okay, let's do number 2. Each bus is 10 meters long. Each boat is 7 meters long. What is the total length of 2 buses and 2 boats? Okay, well, you don't want to just add 10 plus 7, do you? Is that what you were thinking? How many boats and how many buses are there? 2 of each of them, right? So let me show you what that equation would look like. First, how about 2 buses? 2 buses is 10 because it's 10 meters plus 10. So this is 2 buses. 2 buses. 10 plus 10 is 20. That was easy. Now, then you have 2 boats. 2 boats is 7 plus 7, right? These are the 2 boats. Because each boat is 7 meters. And 7 plus 7 is 14. That's right. Then you can add 20 plus 14. How much is 20 plus 14? You got 20, you add 14, you got 34. So the answer is 34 meters, because they said it was in meters. There you go. 20 plus 14 is 34 meters. All right. Do you understand that? Because they said it was 2 of each, you have to add those 2 first before you add them together. Okay, let's go on to number 3. Brent's rope is 49 inches long. He cuts off some of the rope, and now it's 37 inches long. How much rope did Brent cut off? Well, that's a lot like the ribbon example, right? Except it's rope. It's almost the same, huh? First it was 49. Of course, this is a ribbon, but it was a rope. But first, let me draw a picture of it because it left some space there. All right, so here's the rope. It was 49 what? Inches. Okay, 49 inches. He's cutting off some of the rope. Chop. Cut off some of the rope. Now, the whole part is 49. This part that's left is 37. Now that he cut it, he just has 37. I'll show you. We have to cut it. Cut right there. See, I cut it. So now, how much is this part? I'm gonna put a question mark right there. How do we write that as an equation? Well, write an equation for the unknown and solve with a picture or another way. For our equation, we would say it's 37 plus question mark equals the whole amount, which is 49. Now, how would you solve that? There's lots of ways you can do it. You can use your number line like we did before, or you can subtract like this. 49 minus 37. That's an easy way to do it. You don't even have to regroup. Look, 9 minus 7 is 2. That's right. 4 minus 3 is 1. That was easy. Let's see if that's correct. 37 plus 12. Does that equal 49? Let's add the ones. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. So yeah, that's right when you add it. Or you can add it this way, up and down. 37 plus 12. 7 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. So that means that 12 goes in the blank. And the answer is 12. Can you do number 4? Let me read number 4. Number 4 says, Sue ran for some meters. We don't know how many. Then she stopped. Then she ran another 22 meters for a total of 61 meters altogether. How many meters did she run at first? So remember we said she ran for some meters and we didn't know how many. Suppose you were running. We didn't measure that. Then you run some more. We know that the next time she ran, it was 22. So if I was drawing where she ran, I might do like this. So here's Sue. She is running. Okay, there's Sue. Okay, you want me to put some hair on her head. There she go. There's Sue. She's running. She ran. We don't know. Question mark at first. Then she ran 22 meters. I'll just put M for meters, okay? She ran 22 meters up here when she got to up here. We don't know how far she ran here, but we do know the whole length was 61 meters. 61 m. Boom. Okay, so how many meters right here? How do you want to write this? Do you want to say 61 minus 22 equals blank? You could do that. You could say 22 plus blank equals 61. Either way, you're still looking for the same number to go in the blank. Whatever, because adding and subtracting are the opposite of each other. They kind of go together. So if you subtract this, and I can write it right here for you, 61 minus 22. Don't forget to regroup. (11 minus 2 is what? Let's just do 9. That's right. 5 minus 2 is 3. Correct. All right. So 61 minus 22 is 39. So this question mark would be 39 meters. So she ran 39 meters at first. Then she ran 22 meters, which is actually longer. 39 is longer, so I'll make it longer. And the total should be 61. So do me a favor. Add 39 and 22 together and see if you come up with 61. Just checking. Because when you add, you're checking your subtraction. Okay? Now, at the bottom on page 775, we have a little puzzle there. You see it? You have a circle, a red circle that equals 12, a star that equals 39, a triangle that equals 42, and a square that equals 57. So use that chart, change the numbers, change the symbols for numbers, and just solve that. I'll let you do that one on your own because I know you can do it because you're so smart. I'll see you next time. Bye.